Morning everyone.
Sadar Namaste. A fresh beginning, new dreams and endless possibilities. Welcome to Student Spotlight for the academic year 26-27.
Where every moment becomes a memory and every achievement tells a story. Let's dive into the highlights of an exciting new session at DAV 8.
The new academic session began with positivity and staff meeting set the tone and prayer, introductions and planning for holistic student development. Activity-based learning and experiential strategies were emphasized, ensuring a dynamic academic year ahead. This session reflected commitment, clarity and collaboration among educators preparing for school for another year of excellence.
Wonderful start indeed. Let's move ahead. The session opened with a vibrant welcome for students. The sacred yajna created a spiritual atmosphere followed by a floral beginning symbolizing a bright beginning. Joy filled the campus as sweets were shared and students entered the classroom with enthusiasm. The day beautifully reflected values, positivity and the beginning of a meaningful journey of learning and growth.
Such a warm beginning. Over to the next update. A comprehensive orientation on the updated Class 9 CBSE curriculum was conducted for heads of departments. The session focused on competency-based learning, revised assessment patterns, and effective implementation strategies. Interactive discussions ensures clarity and readiness, aligning teaching practices with modern education approaches and strengthening the academic framework for the new session.
Insightful and future-focused. It's my turn. Promoting healthy eating habits, a healthy tiffin competition was organized for class 3rd to 7th. Students showcased creativity through colorful and nutritious meals. The event highlighted the importance of balanced diet and active participation from students and parents. It inspired young learners to adopt healthy food choices and develop lifelong wellness habits.
Healthy minds, healthy habits. Now moving on. With the theme from I can't to I too can. A non-fire cooking competition for class 9 and 10th encouraged self-reliance and healthy living. Students prepared creative nutritious dishes without heat, displaying innovation and teamwork. The activity strengthened life skills, safety awareness and confidence among participants in an engaging and practical way.
Creativity at its best. Let's continue. World Health Day was celebrated with awareness and enthusiasm. Students participated in an informative session on Together for Health, Stand with Science. A presentation highlighted scientific solution and One Health concept. Active participation and thoughtful discussions reflected students' awareness about health, well-being, and the importance of science-driven solutions.
Awareness that truly matters. Next up. To ensure effective teaching practices, induction programs were conducted for middle, secondary and senior secondary teachers. Sessions focused on learning planning, classroom strategies, assessments, methods, discipline and technology integration. Interactive discussions enhanced teaching skills and ensured uniform academic standards, reflecting dedication towards structured learning and structured success.
Empowered teachers build empowered learners. The next update is the school achieved a remarkable 100% result in Class 10th board examination. Students showcased outstanding performances with excellent scores and academic excellence. Celebrations included felicitation, floral welcome, and joyful moments with parents and teachers. The achievement reflects dedication, discipline, and a strong commitment to quality education and holistic development.
A proud moment indeed. Let's move ahead. To honor Mahatma Hansarajji, students participated in havans, poems, plays and creative activities highlighting his values. In inter-school competitions, students secured top positions across multiple events and proudly won the overall trophy. Their achievement reflects talent, dedication and teamwork, bringing laurels and strengthening their school legacy or excellence.
Truly inspiring. Next highlight. Educational trips were organized from different classes on World Heritage Day. Students explored heritage sites, ancient culture, and historical landmarks. These visits provided experimental learning beyond classroom, enhancing awareness, curiosity, and appreciation for cultural heritage while making learning engaging, meaningful, and memorable.
Learning beyond books. Amazing. Let's continue. Earth Day was celebrated with creative enthusiasm. Students participated in coloring, poster making and globe making activities, spreading awareness about environment protection. Their innovative ideas and vibrant expressions highlighted responsibility towards nature. The event inspired young minds to become conscious guardians of the planet.
Green Thoughts, Bright Future. Moving ahead. English Language Day celebrated the legacy of literature and communication. Activities like example, picture reading, and discussion enhanced students' confidence and speaking skill. The event encouraged creativity, critical thinking, and appreciation of language, helping students overcome stage fear and express themselves effectively.
Words that inspire. Now, a special segment. Jal Pakhwada was celebrated from 24th to 29th April with great enthusiasm. Activities including painting, slogan writing, essay competitions, debates, rallies, and awareness drives. Students promoted water conservation through impactful messages. A PowerPoint presentation and quiz on 29th April enhanced understanding. The initiative installed responsibility towards saving water and protecting the environment.
The first house meeting marked the active student participation and leadership development. Talent hunt session encouraged confidence, while election for school council promoted democratic values. Students enthusiastically voted for their leaders, reflecting responsibility, teamwork, and leadership skills, making the event engaging and powerful.
In a proud and inspiring achievement, DAV 8 has brought Lawrence to the Tri-City on the occasion of Earth Day. A talented team of Class 9 students secured a second prize at the prestigious Tri-City Inter-School Environment Quiz at KBDAV Senior Secondary School, Sector 7, Chandigarh. The winning teams included Arindam De, Sanvi Sharma and Vamika Sehgal. DAV Sector 8 Panchkula accorded a graceful farewell to Mrs. Anjana Sood on her retirement after 32 years of service. The program began with a havan followed by heartfelt tributes. Principal Mrs. Ritu Dilbagi honored her with a fulkari and peace lily, appreciated her dedication
From
and
achievements
lasting
to
contribution.
celebration, from learning to leadership, this session has begun with energy and excellence.
With passion in hearts and dream in eyes, DAV continues to shine brighter every day.
Stay inspired, stay connected. This is Student Spotlight. See you soon with more amazing stories. Namaste.